Number 4 of 6 in the Flashback series here in 2018 of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series is the Inferno Monster Jam truck. 2018 new look Inferno. On the back comes with the recrushable car. Pops back up. That's been pretty cool throughout the year. Here's the Avenger, the 20th Anniversary Edition and the Epic Editions. There's Doomsday, Nightglow, Cage, Inferno again, Soldier Fortune, Black Ops in the Mud series, El Toro Loco and Creatures, Mohawk Warrior, Tour Favorites, and Max D in Tour Favorites. So we're gonna unbox Inferno and take a closer look. I never owned the Inferno Monster Jam truck before, of the Hot Wheels edition. So this is a first for me. And it comes with a blue station wagon styled crushable car. And here is Inferno. Wow. So here we go with Inferno, the BKT Hot Wheel tires. There's the Monster Jam logo. Inferno. With the flames. And then the red. Oop, I gotta get this car out of the way so you can see. Here's the front of Inferno. Flames on the hood. And then flames on the roof. On the opposite side is Inferno. Monster Jam logo. And I was looking for the Hot Wheels logo. It's hard to see, but it's right there. On the on the back, then there's on the tailgate some flames coming up. So a pretty cool Flashback truck. So one of the things that I have a little bit trouble understanding is back in 2003 they had a truck in the small hubs called Flashfire, and so it was the same kind of design and everything. It was a little bit different. On the top it had 2 light bars, and also the paint job was a little bit different because the paint on here, like here, would be red instead of yellow, and on the back here it didn't even have a tailgate, so it was a little bit different styled with the paint job, and so here is a Flashback kind of Flashfire, but they have Inferno, so we kind of get a new truck with a flashback to an older truck. The lettering has the old style lettering of Inferno. So that's the unboxing of Inferno. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this review.